People, you know the demolition of microwave? Here's what happened when we were finished.
Hi.
It didn't move. Move. I said move.
Why don't you open this up and show them?
I don't want to. Plus it is very raw. Plus it is very raw.
Yeah, we'll cut all the wires.
Yeah, that was fun. Turns out it didn't shock me at all.
So guess the high voltage thing. Oh yeah, I get to keep the high voltage thing.
Hey, I took that thing off.
No, I called it.
Huh, screw you. You know the video's still rolling.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This video had 9 views. Hopefully this one will get more.
Yeah,
True. Well, it's only been on for one night, so. Okay, bye people. Demolition of a microwave. Say bye.
Bye.
Eric, say bye.
Bye.
That's my little brother Eric. Good job.